Hey everyone, ever thought about using laundry detergent to clean your toilet? It might sound a bit odd, but trust me, it works wonders. In this video, I'm going to show you how and explain why it's so effective. First off, laundry detergents contain surfactants. These are powerful agents that break down dirt and deposits. Plus, they have water softeners that help remove limescale and those pesky urine stains. Alright, let's get started. Grab your white laundry detergent and pour about half a cup into the toilet bowl. Make sure to distribute it evenly around the bowl. If you want, you can flush the toilet beforehand to moisten the bowl for better powder adhesion. Now the key here is patience. Let the detergent sit for about 15-20 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will work their magic, breaking down grime and disinfecting the bowl. After waiting, it's time to scrub. Use a toilet brush to thoroughly scrub the bowl, paying extra attention to the corners and under the rim. This is where a lot of buildup tends to hide. Finally, flush the toilet and voila, you'll have a sparkling clean bowl. Not only is this method effective, but it's also cost-effective. Laundry detergent can be cheaper than specialized toilet cleaners and often contains antibacterial properties thanks to bleach. Give this method a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY hacks. Thanks for watching.